It's rare to find an LED mask that is both FDA cleared and budget friendly, but the Wavytalk one just delivered that. This one has 3 different light modes. So we have the red light for fine lines. You have a little remote here and you can change the mode right there. The next one is going to be your anti-acne. And then it also has a rejuvenation mode as well with that amber light. I'll go through the lights a little bit more in this video. And I also want to mention that it has 456 of these little LED light chips. And that's a pretty significant number. A lot of the masks I've tried before don't have as many of the light chips as this one does. It comes with a lay flat bag to store it in, your charging cord. You're going to get the remote right here, which you can just detach from the USB. And then it also comes with the silicone eye pads, and then you attach the Velcro as well. And I'll show you how to fit this to your face. This is the first mask I've used that has a over the head strap. So let's go ahead and pop it on. You kind of want to tilt your head forward a little bit. And then we're going to do the main ones first. So as I'm leaning forward, I'm just feeling for that Velcro and just snapping that into place. Okay, that's on. The top of the head is something that I haven't used on others before, but it's kind of a nice feature because now everything does stay in place. So if you're going to be walking around your house, I like to usually do chores or something while I'm using this. Sometimes I'll just sit around and relax, but it's nice to be able to incorporate this into your everyday life. You can use this for as little as 10 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week. That's the max. You don't want to go more than 30 minutes. And in fact, when you turn it on, you're only going to get the max time of 20 minutes. So it's going to keep you in that safety zone. You can also choose your level. So there's level 1, level 2, level 3. You can see it got brighter on my face. And right now I'm in that orange amber mode, the rejuvenation. So let's start with the fine line mode. This has 630 nanometers of wavelength. That's going to help with your collagen, with the fine lines, and anti-wrinkle. And then when you go to the anti-acne, that's got the blue light in it. That's going to clear up blemishes you may be having. And the rejuvenation can help with skin brightness, dark spot fading. I tend to usually stay in the red light mode because anti-aging is what I'm after the most. The soft silicone is quite comfortable. I also like with this remote that it shows you the time left. It shows you your battery level and it came pretty charged, which I appreciate as well. So that's really cool. You can just tuck that in a pocket if you're going to be on the move. When you're done, you'll just take it off, put it on too tight. Look at that indent. You don't want to do that. So you can wear it a lot less tight, or you can actually just take these out. So if you don't want to use these, you don't have to use them. A lot of times they do leave some really fun indents in my skin. So I don't always use those. Again, you just hit the off button right there. Now, if you're going to get an LED mask, it is recommended to use it at least 4 weeks to start seeing those results. And this has been used in clinical trials and people are seeing fantastic results. I'm a big believer in LED and red light therapy for anti-aging skincare. And if you've never tried a mask out, I definitely think you should check this one out.